Hello guys, welcome to this channel Powerof. If you are new to this channel, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Today in this video I am just going to tell you how you can remove background noise from Filmora. Let's try it. Let's open this own project. Let's open this project, drag it here and let's listen this sound one time.
Hey guys, welcome to this channel Powerof. If you are new to this channel, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe.
Here you can see a very noisy sound. Let's make this. At first you right click and go to detach audio. Now here you can see a audio path. Now just go to adjust audio. Here you can see a remove background noise. Just click on it and just go to mild. Now you must customize some equalizer. This first 4 sound is a low sound, 1 2 3 4. This 4 sound is a low sound, this is middle and this is high sound. Let's do not touch on this high sound. Let's make this sound is a chord. Let's make it like a chord. Curve. Let's make it like a curve. Now okay, let's listen it first.
Hey guys, welcome to this channel Powerof. If you are new to this channel, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe.
Here you see some metallic like robot sound here. Just go to customize again. Just to make it little bit smaller. You can listen sound from here and
hey guys, welcome to this channel Powerof. If you are new to this channel, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe.
now you can see a little bit difference from first sound. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.